Today I have something very simple, quick and easy snack idea for all the children that watches Lady C. Hello, creative bangers. Let's do this together. All right. You are going to add 2 eggs in a bowl. I am using 2 large eggs, okay? To that, I am going to add sugar, salt. Now, if you have butter, move in with it. If you have margarine, also use margarine, okay? Now take your time and mix to combine very well. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. All right, after mixing, I'll be going in with corn starch. Corn starch, please, no flour. If you're with me at this moment, type no flour at the comment section. Okay, now I'm using 1.5 cup of cornstarch. Okay, I added the first half, mix till I get a smooth batter. All right, now I'll be adding the remaining one. Please do as demonstrated. Okay, beautiful shout out to you, Annabelle, watching from Nigeria, Mata from Cameroon, Judith from South America, Leticia watching from Malawi, and Victoria all the way from London. Whoops. Oh, I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well. Okay. All right, after mixing, you can see what the batter looks like. I'm loving it. Looking like a very smooth spread. It's as if I should eat it raw. All right, once you are done mixing, you are going to transfer into a piping bag. Please, when mixing this batter, take your time and mix it very well till you have that smooth, creamy batter. All right. Okay, once you transfer to the piping bag, now you are going to cut the tail of the piping bag. Okay, now where you cut depends on how thick or thin you want your snack to be. All right, as you can see on the video. Now once you cut the piping bag, go ahead and pipe as demonstrated. Please don't use too much heat, okay, so that everything will cook at the same time, as you can see on the video. If you watch up on this minute, I appreciate you so much. It also means they're enjoying this video. Please give this video a like. Also subscribe to my channel, Let's Be Family. Subscription is totally free. You don't pay anything to subscribe to my channel, okay? Don't forget to hype this video as well. Thank you so much. I appreciate you for doing that. All right, now after piping, allow to cook for about a minute. This does not take time to cook at all. This gets ready within a minute or 2. Go ahead and flip the other side to cook as well. Allow to cook again for another 30 seconds. Take it off the heat. Just look at that. Very simple and easy. Just with these few ingredients, you have just made something yummy for your cuties. Take it off the heat, put in a paper towel to drain out the excess oil. We are done, creative bangers. Very quick, easy, like I mentioned earlier. Do you love what you are seeing? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. It turned out so well. This super delicious, super yummy. Just give it a try. Your kids are gonna love you more for this. All the cuties in the building. Tell mommy, tell daddy, tell auntie or uncle, the one that you watch Lady C on his or her phone with. Tell him or her to prepare you this. I am pleading on behalf of these cuties. Please help me to prepare this banger for them. Go ahead and package for them. This is me giving you an idea. You can always package in any way that you prefer. I hope you find this video helpful. Remember, homemade is better than junk. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.